Hello, welcome back. In this video, I am going to talk about variable data types. So what is variables? So for those who are new to programming, variables are the reserved memory location or space. So you want to store any kind of data in the memory, you can do that using the variables. So some of the standard data types are like string, number, boolean. Then we have sequence data type like list and tuples. We have dictionaries for mapping, and then we have set for different kind of set operations. So let's jump to the code and we'll start looking into the string variables. So the way we declare string variable is like we have a variable name, and then within quotation we give the value. So let's say the value is Python, and we can execute the code. Now if I print the variable, so that is going to give me the value. So this is the way we save the value, and with help of the variable name we can retrieve the value from the memory location. And if we check the type of this variable, and we can see this is a string type. So this is a string type variable, and there are certain properties are there for string type variables, like these string variable are actually zero based indexed. So what does that mean is, let me explain you. So let's say we have this string called python, and the index are going to be 0 1 2 3 4 5. So if I want to access p, the way I can do it is I can give the 0, so it is going to give me the character p. And if I want to access on, I can do one thing, that is I can start with the fourth index and I can go till end. So the way we do it is where and the start index is 4 and the end index we can keep it blank, or we can give a index like 4 till 6, because the sixth index will not be included. So what does that mean? Let's try another thing, that is, let's say I want to access YTHO. So the way we can do it is like, from we'll start with 1 and then I will go till 5 but not including 5. So it will give me the string YTHO. Got it? So there is another construct called negative index. So this is actually positive index, and the negative index works like it starts with from the back. So it will be like this, n will be like -1, and then o will be -2, and so on. So if I want to access o, then I can do like -2 and it is going to give me o. So all these things are going to be helpful when we are going to do some data processing. So let's say I have one variable called card name, and the name of the card is KA01AB1234, and I want only the first 4 character of this string. So the way we can do it is like card name, and then I can start with 0, and then it will go till fourth character. That means the index is 0 1 2 3, and I need to go till 4 but not including 4. So it is going to give me KA01. So there is another concept called step. So let's say I want all the characters from the even index. So I can do something like this. I will start with 0, I'll go till end, so I'm not giving any number here, and then I will skip every second index. So I will get something like this. And if I want to get all the odd indexes. So I'll start with 1, I'll go till end, and I'll skip every second. So this is going to give me the every odd indexes. Now let's look some of the useful string operations like string concatenations, lstrip, and uppercase lowercase. So the way we do string concatenation is, let's say I have variable 1 is Python and variable 2 is maybe C++. So I have these two variables, and let's say I want to concat these two strings. So let's say I have the result variable and I want to concat these two string, and if I print the result, I will get Python C++. So this is the way we can do string concatenation in Python. And we have some other concept like lstrip, we have rstrip and strip. So what are these things? Let's say I have one variable and here we have lot of blank spaces, and then this is a string and it has blank space in the end as well. Now if I do var.lstrip, it will remove all the blank spaces from the left side of the string. And if I do var.rstrip, it will remove all the blank spaces from the right side of the string. And if I do strip, as you might have guessed, it will remove all the blank spaces from the both side of the string. We can specify any characters as well. So let's say I have one string called x equal to $5, I mean x equal to $4, and I want to remove the dollar sign. So what I can do is x dot rstrip, and I can mention the character. So I will get 4. Now we have two more functions, that is upper and lower. Let's say I have one variable called Anirban, and if I do something like this, it is going to give me all the uppercase character. And let's store it inside one variable called x, or maybe upper, and let's print it, print upper. So I have upper case Anirban stored in this upper variable, and if I do upper dot lower, and this is going to give me lowercase Anirban again. This is it for now, and in next video we'll discuss about the number data type. Thanks for watching the video, and if you have any questions, please write me in the comment section.